Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Garrison, and we'll be conducting a training session on the sensitivity analysis in capital budgeting. This presentation will walk you through the key concepts and practical steps used to evaluate project risk using sensitivity analysis. The video recording of this presentation can be accessed through the link provided on this title slide. What is sensitivity analysis? During the capital budgeting process, there will be a time where you will have to conduct a sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis assesses how changes in key variables like sales volume, cost, or discount rate impact a project's NPV or IRR. It also helps project managers and decision makers understand the most sensitive assumptions and where potential risks can lie. On this particular slide, we will talk about the qualitative steps in sensitivity analysis. Prior to making calculations, it is important to analyze the project's environment. It is important to find out which factors are most likely to change and understand why. These could include market trends, risks, supply chain stability. Generating a base case scenario helps by offering a point of comparison for assessing the modifications. On this slide, we're going to talk about the quantitative steps in sensitivity analysis. Determine, change, record. And for your results, you're going to put it on a graph. The quantitative steps in the sensitivity analysis consist of calculating the base NPV, then adjusting one input at a time, and increasing variable costs by 10% to see the impact on the outcome. The quantitative process is repeated for each key variable to determine which significantly influences the result. The more sensitive the NPV is to the variable, the higher the risk. Listed is the example of a sensitivity analysis. Sales volume is the variable that will be tested. We survey the impact of sales quantities on the project's NPV. This example shows how the project is sensitive to sales forecasts and emphasizes the need for risk management and accurate market analysis. Incorporating risk in capital budgeting. Sensitivity analysis aids in identifying the location of all risks, but you can also incorporate this insight directly into your finance models. One method is to use a higher discount rate to reflect risk or model a range of outcomes using scenarios or simulations. On this slide talks about benefits and limitations. As you can see here, benefits includes clarifying project risks, assists in decision making, and supports contingency planning. Three limitations includes it only tests one variable at a time, assumes other inputs remain constant. It doesn't give a probability of the outcomes. For a complete picture, it's best to use it with other risk tools like scenario analysis or situations. According to Saltelli, sensitivity analysis assists by helping you explain which assumptions impact investment outcomes most, but it can oversimplify interdependencies between variables.